If you're a marketing manager or a CMO in the industrial field, I will show you exactly how you can predict the ROI from any upcoming trade show. And you'll be able to know exactly what is the expected ROI by answering these 5 hows. Just 5 simple questions. And of course, the first how is how to measure the expected ROI from the trade show. To measure the ROI, you need to know how many meetings or sales call you will have during the trade show. So we are talking about pre-booked meetings. So why pre-booked meetings are important? Because you can't afford relying on cold traffic, as relying on cold traffic is a way of gambling. And when you have pre-booked meetings, this way your booth is an execution venue. And now this is the second how we can get pre-booked meetings. We can get these pre-booked meetings by warming up our audience, by posting video content. And in order to make this effective, you have to start posting video content 90 days before the trade show. But why video content? Because platforms want you to post videos. This is the best way that they can guarantee that the user is staying on the platform. And when you compare the organic reach of videos with posts or images, you will find a massive difference. And at the same time, posting videos is the best way to make people trust you and trust your company and your product. But will you rely on the organic reach of these platforms? The answer is no. We will run targeted video campaigns. We will run ads using these videos. And here it comes how number 3. How will we post video content if our product is still in the production line? Literally don't have the physical product, so we can't shoot videos. Or maybe our product is so complex and there are some technologies that we can't illustrate in the traditional way of filming. And we will do this by shifting from the traditional way of filming to the digital twin workflow, photorealistic digital twin. So how will we approach this workflow? This is the fourth how. Simply, we will use the CAD file. A CAD file is a 3D file that represents our product, but in a 3D environment. We will apply all of the different materials and textures, so our digital twin looks exactly like our physical product. That's why it's called a digital twin. And since we are in a digital space, we can build different environments, so we have maximum flexibility. We can make scenes for our product indoors, outdoors, and in different weather conditions. So once our video is made, we will start the distribution phase. So how can we distribute our video? This is the fifth how. We have 3 main ways for video distribution. Number 1 is YouTube. And the biggest misconception about YouTube isn't a platform. YouTube is a search engine. And this is because we can give our videos some titles that has the problems of our audience. And this way our clients or our leads will find us through search terms. So the title should be something that is painful. They are trying to get rid of this pain, or a dream outcome, something that they would like to achieve. And in this video, we'll show how our product can solve this problem. So what we are getting here, we are getting search traffic. And what is a search traffic? It's a high intent traffic. These are people that are searching for a solution for their problem now. And if they found our video in search, they will know more about us, and maybe they can visit our website, and maybe they can book a call. So that's the first way. And the second platform is LinkedIn. And there is something interesting about LinkedIn, and I think most people don't know about this. When I'm in a call with a marketing manager or a CMO, they are surprised with this fact. In LinkedIn, you can post 2 formats of videos. The traditional format, which is the 16:9, the normal video, and also you can post the vertical video, the 9:16. So what is the difference between this type of video and this type of video? The first type, which is the normal video, the 16:9, is the best way to nurture your following. LinkedIn will deliver this type of video to your existing followers. So this way you are nurturing the people who already know you and know your products. The second format or the second type of video is the vertical one. And this type of video is amazing if you are trying to attract new people or new followers. So this way you will attract new leads. So the normal video will nurture your existing followers, and the vertical video will get you new followers. And the last channel we have is emails. And of course, you can send these videos to your email list. And I believe that this is the most important channel, because these people already know you. And in most cases, they already bought from you something before. So these are the loyal customers. And I think that the conversion rate here is the best. Now, after all of this journey that we have discussed, by posting video content 90 days before the trade show, We have a specific number of meetings booked, and by expecting to close 20 or 30% of these meetings, we can multiply the number by the average deal size. And this way, we'll be expecting exactly what is the ROI from this trade show. So how can we predict the trade show ROI? By warming up our audience by posting video content 90 days before the trade show. But how to do this? By leveraging the CAD to digital twin workflow. How to make this, or how to produce video content with this workflow? By making a photorealistic copy of our product if the product is so complex, or if there is technical feature that we can't explain in the traditional way of filming. And with the right distribution on social media and the other distribution platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, and email, as we have discussed, you will be able to expect the ROI that you are getting. And last but not least, you can also use these videos on your website, on your cold outreach, if you are trying to reach different people or new people. Of course, you can have these videos displayed on the main screens of the booth. And speaking of trade shows, I have already made a video before about how you can convert your booth into a sales funnel. I recommend that you watch this video here. And if you would like to boost your video marketing campaigns and implement the strategy that I've explained now, feel free to book a strategy session with me from this link. Thanks, and I will see you there.